friends, I'm Vivan, and guess what? I just built a time machine! Today, I'm going all the way to the year 2075. Come with me and let's see what the future looks like. Okay, pressing the button in 3, 2, 1, zoom! Good morning, friends! You know what? I just woke up in 2075 in Mars. 100% sleep quality, thanks to my smart bed that tracks every breath and heartbeat. And look at that, breakfast is already served by RoboChef. Pancakes just the way I like them. This is my room in 2075. Super smart, super clean and super cool. You know friends, every morning my health stats pop up right on the wall. Heart rate, sleep time and even oxygen levels. No need for a smartwatch anymore. Meet Algal, my personal assistant robot. He's not just a breakfast boss. He also keeps track of my schedule and reminds me to brush my teeth. Thanks Algal, you're the best. And this is Corex. He's my trainer, dancer and sometimes my gaming partner. Now that I'm up, fed and scanned, it's time to head out. Let's see what the world outside looks like in 2075. Wow! Welcome to New Mars City, the most advanced place in the solar system. Skyscrapers made of smart glass, flying taxis zipping past, and digital billboards that talk back. And yes, they actually deliver pizza faster than my own microwave. The future isn't just cool, it's smart, safe, and full of surprises. And this is only the beginning. Stay tuned because coming up next, I'm diving into a Mars classroom where kids learn with AI teachers and VR history time machines. Say goodbye to blackboards and boring desks. This is a Mars learning hub where the future goes to school. Each student here has a personal AI tutor. It knows your strength, your speed, and even when you need a snack break. Let's go with the climate history. I've had enough chill time with Algal this morning. Let's talk about something we all care about. Health. In 2075, it's safer, smarter, and in many ways, simpler. This is the Quantum Medical Lab. Here doctors and AI work together using full body scanners that can detect illness before even symptoms begin. And yup, that's me recovering from a Martian flu. Nothing serious, just a 48-hour AI monitored rest protocol. See, healthcare in 2075 isn't scary. It's like being looked after by a genius friend with a touchscreen face. Best part? These systems are connected worldwide, no matter where you are, Earth, Mars or a space station. Help is just a second away. In the future, staying healthy isn't just about the medicine. It's about the balance, technology and trust. You know, food is a big deal. And in 2075, it's finally both super healthy and super tasty. It comes with a smart nutrition guide, instantly tailored to your body, your health and even your mood. AI chefs prepare meal based on real-time body data. No guesswork, no junk and no boring food. That salad? Picked just seconds ago from our garden wall.
By 2075, the average lifespan of a human can go up to 100 years. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better.
Welcome to the cities of 2075, where cities breathe, cars glide, and the air feels like you're in the Himalayas, even in Delhi. Friends, do you see? Every car is electric. Most drive themselves and traffic jams? What are those? With AI traffic grids, smart sensors, and underground delivery drones, the roads are smooth and clean. India now has over 300 smart cities with towering green skyscrapers, vertical forests, and zero emissions. Every building creates more energy than it uses. And forests? They now grow vertically too, right on your balcony. And wait till you hear this. Delhi to Dubai, just 30 minutes on a bullet hypertrain, zooming at over 1,000 km per hour. Bullet trains now run above, below, and through cities, connecting smart hubs across countries. Imagine cities where pollution is history and nature is part of the architecture. In 2075, we didn't just build higher, we built smarter, faster, and greener.
And now it's time for your favorite segment. Fact 2075. Almost every building in 2075 generates its own energy using solar skins. Yup, the walls are made of solar panels.
Coming up next, let's fast forward to the year's most exciting invention, the Interplanetary Transit Hub. Yup, space travel just got personal. Today, I'm not just traveling with my mom and dad, I'm flying to the moon. I've seen it in books and on screens, but now it's right there, just outside the window. We stop at Orbital Station Aryabhatta 9, a kind of airport in space. Zero gravity is so fun. And with just a tap on my headset, I can see how people are building homes on Mars, mining asteroids, and even growing food in space. After resting, we're off to Mars. In just a few hours, we'll land at the Indian colony, Vikram Habitat 1. This is my favorite part, the green room on Mars. All the air we breathe here comes from these plants. Fresh food, even in space. It felt so real, like I was living in the future. But then,
Vivan, wake up. It's 7 a.m. Time to get ready for school.
Friends, if you like this cool trip to the future, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. And if you want to see more fun videos about amazing inventions, robots, and awesome places, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh, and don't also forget to click the bell so that you don't miss another update. Thank you for watching. See you next time again.